Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer, and from today I'm gonna start a series on Haskell programming languages, and it will be mainly focused for students who are enrolled in any bachelor or master program. So let's get started with the installation. So how we can install the Haskell setup for our local machine. So here you are accessing haskell.org, and in the download section you have to click on this link. Let me just zoom it out. So GHCUP, this is the default uh, terminal for the Haskell program, and it will compile it for you, right? So here you will just get this command as according to your operating system. I am on Windows, so it's showing me for Windows. If you will be on Mac or Linux, it will show you accordingly. So just copy this, and they are saying run it in your terminal, and I will just paste it there and hit enter, right? So I have already done that. Just click enter and allow all the permissions which they ask, and then it will just do everything for you. Okay, and I want you to know, if you are enrolled in any bachelor or master program, you can contact me on this WhatsApp or email regarding about your coursework or projects you are working on, right? Great, let's get started. So how we can print in Haskell, right? We are gonna obviously print hello world, as we are doing the first class on Haskell. So I will just say main and then equal to and then print. Just really simple, guys. And then I will just say hello world, and you can just hit enter or run it, right? So you have got hello world in your Haskell as your first program. Let me change it to something with my name, and it's giving me the output. Great. Now let's see how we can define variables in the Haskell, right? So I am just saying variable 1, and I will just simply give it a value of 2. Great. And then I will just print it out. So var1, and you will see I will just print out its value, right? So if you are from Python, it's kind of like that up till now, but you will see it getting lot of messy when you will be dealing with the functional programming concepts in Haskell, because Haskell is a function programming language, or FP for short, right? So we will be doing everything necessary in Haskell, and I will be starting for log also for you guys. So just wait for it, and let me just show you how you can print out multiple variables or multiple lines in the Haskell, right? And what are these? These are just variable declaration, or you can say signature of Haskell, which is assigned automatically in the VS Code, as I have extensions already installed for that. So that Haskell know what it's dealing with, right? So 4 is an integer, so it automatically recognize as integer and give it a value type, right? Or signature, whatever you're calling it. And let's see how we can now print two variables. So if I do that, you can see I'm getting an error. So it's not like whenever you are dealing with Python or any other programming languages, you can use just this plus sign or comma sign to just certain concatenation, but it's not like that. So what you have to do is, let me just show you. So you are gonna use do function, and then you will just print var1 and then print var2. So really simple. And you go 2 and 4. Now let me just change it to a list, so I can just say, and you can see the signature is also like converting into an integer list with these brackets. And let's see now. So we have successfully created a list in Haskell, and then I can just obviously make a string. Great. So that's how you can print variables and create variables in your Haskell programming setup. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.